select a topic for your research work. In English literature, selecting a topic for a research thesis in English literature can be a time-consuming task, but there are several steps you can take to make the process easier. 1. Identify interest area. Take time to think about the areas of English literature that interest you the most. It could include particular authors, literary periods, genres and themes. Think of the books or authors that you have enjoyed reading the most in your literature courses, and try to pinpoint what about those texts interested you. 2. Do some preliminary exploration. If you have an idea of your area of interest, conduct some preliminary research to identify the current status of the scholarship on the topic. IT will help you to determine what research has already been done, and further, what gaps exist in the current literature. 3. Construct research question. On the basis of your interest area and your preliminary research, identify a specific research question and the question you want to answer in your thesis. This question should not be too narrow or broad in order to make your research meaningful and interesting. 4. Consult with your guide or supervisor. If you have formed a research question, consult with your thesis supervisor or other faculty members in your department for feedback and guidance. They can help you improve your research question and suggest sources that may be useful for your research. 5. Develop an outline of your thesis. If you have a solid research question, develop an outline for your research thesis. It will help you to organize your thoughts, and it will ensure that you are covering all the necessary aspects of your topic. 6. Stay open-minded for further improvements or alterations. Keep in mind that your research may change as you continue to go deeper into your topic. You should welcome valuable input from your stakeholders, or stay open to modifying your research question or your approach to your topic. By following these systematic tricks and tips, you can select a topic for your research thesis in English literature that is both meaningful and manageable and praiseworthy.